Welcome to Bedtime Stories. Short moral story: The power of teamwork. Once upon a time, there was a little ant named Andy. Andy was always busy collecting food for the entire colony. One day, he came across a big piece of bread. Excited, he started pushing it towards the colony with great force, all by himself. Along the way, he met a group of ants who offered him to help. Andy, feeling proud and independent, refused their help and continued on his way. But as he struggled to move the bread, he realized that the team would make the task more easier. He humbly accepted the help of other ants. Together, they successfully brought the bread to the colony. Moral of the story: teamwork and cooperation can lead to great success than trying to do everything alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.